Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to stream on Kick using OBS Studio. First open your OBS Studio, then go to Setting, go to Stream, select Custom Service, then go to kick.com, go to your profile, then go to Creator Dashboard. From left menu, select Setting, then go to Stream key. Now copy stream URL, go to OBS Studio again, paste your stream URL on the server box. Then go to Kick again, then copy the stream key, then paste that on the stream key box. Then click apply. Then hit OK. It will connect to your Kick account. Then add your scene. Add a new scene. Give it any name. Select your sources. Add your audio source. Then add your video source. You can add display capture, which will automatically stream your display, whatever you do in your display. Then hit OK. Then add your webcam by going to video capture device. Select your webcam from there. Position your webcam. Now go to Kick. Then go to Stream. Now edit your stream info. Select the title and category. Now go to OBS Studio again. Then go to Setting, Output. Select, if you have graphics card, select your graphics card hardware, or you can select X264 if you don't have any graphics card. On encoder setting, select 6000 bitrate and rate control CBR. Then OK. Now you can start your streaming. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.